Okay, Jacob, I just thought I would make this little video so you could see. We're going to be putting the formula, or the formula will be up in this line, but I've just made a little income statement that says, let's just say our sales are $100 and our expenses are $45. We're real happy about that. So we have a gross profit of $55. So these were two that I input, but here it had a calculation, and this is where I'm talking about show your work. Is you put the formula in that says sales minus expenses is gross profit, and so this is the show your work that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the number here and the formula up here. Also, I'd already put in for taxes at 35%. Let's take C6, which is here, times 35%. So now I have my taxes. So that shows up in the command line there. And then the $55 that calculated and the taxes calculated, I already had this in. So this is to show your work. And what I use that for is so if, say, this number doesn't come out right, I can look back and say, oh, well, they didn't charge the right tax, and it's really that. So, but for that, this would have been correct. So that way I can trace through and see your work. So that way, hopefully that'll cover you. Thank you.